Ever wonder if the tech gadgets sitting on your desk or even in your pocket are operating at their full potential? Could there be a way to make them smarter, faster, and more efficient? The answer lies in machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence that can revolutionize the way your devices function. First, it is crucial to understand what machine learning is. It's a method of data analysis that automates analytical model building. It's a branch of artificial intelligence based on the idea that systems can learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Now, how does one utilize machine learning to optimize tech gadgets? Here are some easy-to-follow steps. Step 1. Identify the problem. Is your device slow? Does it consume too much battery? Or perhaps it's not as user-friendly as it could be. By pinpointing the issue, you can then use machine learning to address it effectively. Step 2. Collect and prepare data. Machine learning thrives on data. The more data your device has, the better it can learn and adapt. Therefore, it's essential to gather as much relevant data as possible. This could be usage statistics, battery consumption rates, or user interaction data. Step 3. Choose the right algorithm. There are numerous machine learning algorithms available, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Depending on the problem at hand, you might need a different algorithm. For instance, a decision tree might work best for user interface optimization, while a neural network could be more suitable for battery life enhancement. Step 4. Train your model. Once you have your data and algorithm, it's time to train your machine learning model. This involves feeding the model your data and allowing it to learn and make predictions. Step 5. Test and refine your model. After training, test your model to see how well it performs. If it's not up to par, refine it by adjusting parameters or using different data. Step 6. Implement your model. Once you're satisfied with your model's performance, implement it into your device. This could be through a software update or a hardware modification. In summary, machine learning can be a powerful tool for optimizing your tech gadgets. It involves identifying a problem, collecting and preparing data, choosing an algorithm, training a model, testing and refining that model, and finally, implementing it. With these steps, your device can become smarter and more efficient, truly unlocking its full potential. Remember, the world of technology is always evolving. Stay curious, keep exploring, and you'll find that there's always a way to make your tech gadgets work better and smarter for you.